This is 9/14/08/605 in the afternoon, and we have red air. Watch this. Pardon?
You didn't happen to see it coming in, did you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, I want some pictures. It's really great to go out there, look.
Yeah, I was making like a little...
Snake asleep?